Hello, good evening, everyone. So it is early evening and I just got home from Winco, and here is my grocery haul for you this evening. It's October 7th and here are all the items on my grocery list for this evening. And for all of this, you guys, it was a great bargain. It was only $108.75. So here is the overview of all the items. Okay, so starting back here, just so you know, most of the items on my grocery haul are vegan. Just a couple are not, because when I have certain family members come over, they might, want a couple things like the cheddar fish crackers, and I just have it for them so that they can have it. But most of these items are for us, and a couple is for when my niece or nephew comes over and they have their crackers. Okay, so let's start back here. I have some chicken teriyaki strips. I have 2 packs of those. They're really good. They're cheaper at Winco than like at Whole Foods or other places. They're like $1 cheaper, give or take. And then here is some pizza, like pizza rolls, but they're called pizza bites. It's similar to like the pizza rolls, but of course it's plant-based, and the cheese is vegan friendly, non-dairy. Also, I have some corn meatless pieces here. This is what I use, and I substitute this when I make different recipes like chicken curry or anything that needs chicken, like chicken adobo, just anything that requires like chicken or meat pieces. These are really good, the corn meatless pieces. And some tofurkey plant-based original sausage. These are beer brats. And then this one here is a really, my husband likes this. He takes it to work or for like a quick breakfast, last minute on the go breakfast or snack. They're the Nature's Bakery. So he got oatmeal crumble apple, a blueberry brownie, a strawberry, an apple cinnamon, and a pumpkin spice. And these are so affordable, and they're all vegan. They were like 48 cents, really affordable. And then we got some plant-based burritos. This is a Philly, and then we got the breakfast, the Mexicali, and the chicken fajita. So these are all plant-based burritos, really delicious. Some pie crust ready to use in case I'm not in the mood to make my own pie crust. And then some garlic toast. That one is for when I have my cousin come over. She likes that. Okay, and then some Earth Balance organic butter spread, vegan friendly. And then this one here, we normally buy another kind of butter, but they didn't have the butter that we're used to buying. But this one is plant-based now. They finally, I can't believe it's not Butter brand, finally has a dairy-free butter option, butter sticks for baking or cooking or whatever. And some Daya American style slices, some bacon strips. Okay, and then over here we got some plums. All their fruits and vegetables, you guys, are so good. For me, in my opinion, I think they're good quality. So we have some plums. These are the firm, kind of sweet, a little tart type. My daughter loves these. So plums, some tomatoes, got some bananas. And remember, you guys, if the bananas you have are starting to get old, you can always take it out of the skin and put it in a Ziploc and freeze it. You can use it for smoothies. You can use it for ice cream, different recipes. Or if you don't want to freeze it, you can make banana bread when they get old. Okay, and then some limes, some pears, and then these are they're peaches. All their fruits there are really good, and their vegetables. Got some cucumbers for infused water and cucumber salads. And then over here, I got some, I think these are Mexican squash. These are really tiny squash. I use them for soups, different kinds of maybe stir fry or soups, or I slice it in little pieces with peppers, onions, and use it as a filling sometimes. Okay, and their bell peppers there are always really good. I think this was 59 cents. And then the yellow, orange, and red were 68 cents a piece. And then their honeydew and cantaloupes are always yummy. It's always sweet. Okay, and then a pack of like 6 mini avocados was around 2 something. And then over here we have some organic 50-50 for salad, spinach and spring mix combo. Then we have blueberries right here for cereals, parfaits, baked items, okay, and some mushrooms for soups. And I did buy kale this time again because I am going to make the kale, the Toscana soup again, the copycat from Olive Garden. I veganized my old original recipe, and it is now vegan friendly, and I will attach that to the description box below so you can watch my tutorial if you would like. And then some plain bagels. These are vegan friendly. These are really good with cream cheese, vegan cream cheese, or butter, or peanut butter, almond butter, whatever. Also some corn. Their canned veggies there are really good. This was, I believe, 58 cents. So I got 4 cans of those. Some regular cabbage, and then red cabbage. Okay, and then their broccoli is always good over there. So the broccoli is really good. And then just some romaine lettuce, and then some grapes. The grapes over there, red or green, they're always really good quality. Okay, and then back here, we just got some buffalo hot sauce there. And then some kettle corn sweet and salty snacks. And the tortilla chips, that is really good. It is only 98 cents over there, you guys. And then these are good too, the nut butter bites, cashews. And this one is for my niece. When she comes over, she likes goldfish, so I bought her that. And then also back here, they have really good salsa over there, you guys. This home style salsa, it comes in mild, medium, and hot. But their home style salsa by Rojos is so good. So we always pick that up, and some tortilla chips when we're over there, because they're both really affordable. So that is the end of my grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and press the like button. That will really help my channel. And thank you so much, everyone. I will see you soon. Bye.